Next, we have Scott Schreiman, and he's the CEO of Carrier. And let's welcome Mr. Schreiman.
Thanks everyone for coming out today on a Saturday afternoon. Appreciate you joining us. Everybody's still awake and with us? So I'm Scott Schreiman. I'm the CEO of Carrier Technologies. We're a social collaboration startup, and that means that our primary mission is creating a better way for people to work together. Try to make it informative and entertaining, but first a few words about my company. We're a 15-year-old startup. We built a successful business selling on-premise email servers to small and mid-sized companies. Tens of thousands of companies around the world and a couple of million users use our products every day. Several years ago, we saw the limitations of email as a collaborative tool. And we saw the enormous potential of the cloud to create and deliver a radically new collaboration experience. So in January, we launched a product called SamePage at samepage.io. I'll save the product pitch for my last slide. What I was asked to do today here was talk a little bit about social collaboration in the cloud and what that means for you all. So let's go into that. First, you probably already know, our other speakers made it pretty clear that the cloud is big. You know that. Gartner says that global IT spending will be about $3.7 trillion a year. That's out of a world economy of about 70 trillion. So IT is now 5% of the world economy, and much of that growth is coming from the cloud. This slide right here shows the fraction, the percentage, the allocation of IT budgets dedicated to cloud infrastructure projects. In the last 2 years, you can see around the world, the total's gone from 26 to 33% of cloud IT budgets around the world are now dedicated to cloud projects. 1/3 of IT spending is now cloud. Interestingly, and it was somewhat surprising to me to see this data, the APAC region is leading the way. Just kind of going off my topic for a little bit, I think that is, I think there's something really interesting about what cloud computing can do for the APAC region. It's in emerging markets. I think that cloud computing is seen as a way to leapfrog, to jump into the future, and you can see the allocation of spending there kind of demonstrates that. So we know that there's an enormous amount of money being spent in the cloud, but what are users actually doing there? These on this screen right here, these are the top 9 out of 10 cloud services accessed by employees in the workspace. So you see Facebook, Obvious, LinkedIn, Dropbox, iCloud, Salesforce, Box, and so on. Anyone have a guess what the 10th one is? Just a trivia question to give out a t-shirt here. What's missing? Any guesses from the crowd? What's that? Shout out.
Twitter.
No.
Amazon.
No. No. It's not a Chinese company. Not this question. I've got a Chinese question later for you guys. Microsoft what? No. No. Right? Not yet. Okay. I've only got a few minutes. They're going to call me on this, and I've got to get through some slides. So I'll tell you what it is. It's Hotmail.